5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. India, a vast and diverse country, experiences a wide range of climates due to its unique geography, topography, and varied altitudes. The climate of India can be broadly categorized into 6 major types: tropical, subtropical, arid, temperate, alpine, and coastal. Each of these climates is influenced by the monsoon system, the Himalayas, the Thar Desert, the proximity to the equator, and the vast coastline, which together create a variety of weather conditions across the nation. The tropical climate is predominantly found in the southern parts of India, characterized by high temperatures throughout the year. The tropical wet climate, also known as the monsoon climate, is experienced in regions such as Kerala, coastal Karnataka, and parts of the Western Ghats. This type of climate is marked by high humidity levels and heavy rainfall during the monsoon season, which lasts from June to September. The presence of the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal contributes significantly to the rainfall during this period. The western coastal region, particularly Kerala, receives some of the heaviest rainfall in India, making it one of the wettest regions of the country. The tropical dry climate, on the other hand, is prevalent in parts of the Deccan Plateau, such as parts of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This climate type experiences long, hot summers with relatively low rainfall and high temperatures. Due to the dry conditions, these regions often suffer from droughts and water scarcity. The subtropical climate is found in the northern and central parts of India, including states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, and parts of Rajasthan. These regions experience hot summers with temperatures soaring above 40 degrees Celsius in many areas, followed by a monsoon season that brings moderate rainfall. Winters are generally cooler, with temperatures dropping to around 5 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. The subtropical climate is characterized by seasonal variations, with distinct summer, monsoon, and winter periods. The arid climate, or desert climate, is most prevalent in the northwestern part of India, particularly in the Thar Desert region, which stretches across parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Haryana. The Thar Desert is characterized by extremely hot summers with temperatures frequently exceeding 45 degrees Celsius and very little rainfall throughout the year. The lack of moisture and high evaporation rates contribute to the dryness of the region, making it one of the most arid areas in India. The absence of clouds during the day leads to scorching heat, while the nights are relatively cool due to the lack of moisture in the air to retain heat. In the central and northern regions of India, the temperate climate is observed, particularly in areas located at higher altitudes, such as the Himalayan foothills and parts of the northeastern states. This climate is characterized by moderate temperatures throughout the year, with cool winters and mild summers. The temperate regions, especially in the hilly areas, experience snowfall during the winter months, while the summer months are pleasant and conducive to agriculture. The temperate climate is ideal for growing crops like apples, tea, and various fruits in the higher altitudes. The alpine climate is found in the higher reaches of the Himalayas, particularly in regions such as Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. This climate type is characterized by very cold winters with temperatures often dipping below freezing. The alpine climate zone is marked by heavy snowfall during the winter months and cool summers. The cold, harsh winters in these regions are accompanied by strong winds and blizzards. This type of climate is found at elevations above 3,500 meters and is mostly inhospitable, except for certain flora, fauna, and hardy communities that have adapted to the extreme conditions. The coastal climate, which is present in areas along the eastern and western coasts of India, including cities like Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata, is characterized by high humidity, moderate temperatures, and consistent rainfall. Coastal regions experience a tropical climate with high levels of humidity due to the proximity to the sea. These areas are usually warmer in winter than the inland regions because of the moderating influence of the oceans, which absorb and release heat slowly. The monsoon winds bring significant rainfall to the coastal regions, especially during the southwest monsoon. The combination of warm temperatures, high humidity, and frequent rainfall makes the coastal regions ideal for certain crops, such as rice, coconut, and cashew nuts. The climate of India is also influenced by the seasonal winds, commonly known as the monsoons. The southwest monsoon, which begins in June, brings heavy rainfall to the western and southern parts of the country, while the northeast monsoon brings rain to the eastern and southeastern coasts. The monsoons are a defining feature of the climate, and their arrival is eagerly awaited as they provide the necessary water for agriculture, which is the backbone of the Indian economy. However, the timing and intensity of the monsoon rains can vary, leading to occasional droughts or floods in certain regions. The variation in climate across India also leads to distinct seasonal changes. In the summer months, from March to June, temperatures soar in most parts of the country, except in the hill stations and higher altitudes. During this time, the hot, dry winds, known as Lu, blow across the plains, leading to scorching heat. The monsoon season, from June to September, brings relief from the heat, with rain showers cooling down the temperatures and making the atmosphere more humid. After the monsoon, in the post-monsoon season, the weather becomes more pleasant and temperatures start to drop. Winter in India, from November to February, sees cooler temperatures, especially in the northern regions. In the plains of northern India, foggy conditions often prevail, reducing visibility and leading to cold, crisp mornings. The Himalayan region experiences snowfall, while the southern parts of India enjoy mild and pleasant winter weather. The variation in rainfall is another key factor in shaping the climate across the country. Some regions, such as the Western Ghats and northeastern states like Assam and Meghalaya, receive heavy rainfall due to their proximity to the monsoon winds. Stop.